My name's Mark. This is my son, Aaron.
Hi.
Hi. We wanted to do a testimonial for Andrew Louisi in Time to Heal because really he helped me change my life. You know, I met him, I think 17, 18 years ago. We all have patterns that we grow up with in life. You know, our parents sometimes don't know better and they break us. You know, it's not the intent, but it happens. They're broken too. And Andrew helped me layer by layer to peel the onion, to move past a lot of my stuff, a lot of anger. You know, I was verbally abusive, arrogant, and helped me to have an amazing life. So they've created these workshops. Workshop 1 and 2, I've done both of those. And there's a third one coming out, which I'm really looking forward to doing, where you can get in touch of what is happening in your life, why you do things that don't work for you, how to move past them. It's not easy work, but it's work that's worth it. I would encourage you to do it if you're ready for it. I highly recommend it. And the thing is once you heal your stuff, you pass it on to these guys, right? And then you make good people. So I just want to say thank you to Time to Heal. Thank you, Aaron and Andrew. You guys are awesome.